Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to share with you how you can actually get a good data in Hong Kong and what is the best eSIM provider for Hong Kong. So this is my process how I find the best eSIM. The first one that I always use is my mobile, and I always check the first thing is that I'm going to come here to coverage, and you can have discount with the link down below in the description. And I come here and I'm going to check where I want to go, and you see the Hong Kong right here that is really well covered. Okay. So that's pretty good. The second thing I do is that I always check, when you're going to click help here, eSIM compatible phones, if your phone is going to be actually compatible. You can have iPhones, Google phones, Samsung and all of that. Try to find your phone here. If you're going to find it, then you know that your eSIM, your phone is compatible with the eSIM. Now what I do next is that I just write here search, and I'm going to write Hong Kong eSIM. And you see right here that you can choose between 5 days, 10 days, 15 days, or even 30 days. So let's say I'm going to go to Hong Kong for 15 days, and you can choose how much data you actually need. So I'm going to for 10, 20 gigabytes, you're going to choose it. So let's say I want to choose 10 gigabytes of data. And I would click activate now, or you can go even unlimited. Automatically with the link down below in the description, you're going to get access to the 10% discount. And it's going to cost $16.20 as you can see. So 10%, and then you're going to choose the starting date, how many days, and you can have auto recharge on or off. Now when you're going to have it, then you will get a QR code to your email, and all you have to do is scan the QR code, and then you have to activate the eSIM. I made even a full guide on how we can activate the eSIM with Maya Mobile. You're going to have a link tutorial down below in the description too. And when you're going to have it, then you can use it. Another way how we can do it is using Airalo. And here when I'm going to write Hong Kong. Okay, Hong Kong. And you can have local eSIM, so we can have 1, 3, 5, or even 10 gigabyte of data. So let's say we're gonna have the 10 gigabyte of data for $19. And right here, it's $16.20 for Maya Mobile. So even the pricing is similar with the discounts and everything. So they are both on the same side, but if you want to have also unlimited data or even more than 10 gigabytes, use Maya Mobile. But if you want to go less, it doesn't matter which one you're going to choose. Maya Mobile is a little bit cheaper. With Airalo, it works in the same way that you're going to get the QR code that you have to scan and install, but you can use even their app, so that's a nice bonus. And they're both reliable and great, and they're both using similar networks. So thank you very much guys for watching. I can even say the same network. Wait a second, I'll just check it out. CSL, yes, they are using the same network. So the coverage is going to be literally the same. Thank you very much guys for watching, and have a great day, and goodbye.